Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you the top 3 tips which will make your business on automations. The number 1 tips is create a system in your business. Yes, you heard it right. You have to create a system like which department, the sales department, the purchase department, the accountant department, which department just sequentially do the work. You have to create a proper system on that. Number 2 is delegate the task to that person who is the capable to manage that activities, that work, that which whatever you are providing to him. Just look at that person, he is capable or not to manage that work which you are giving to him. This is not like you are giving just to work, just finish this work, I need from tonight, from morning to night this work. This is not like, you have to just know that person's behavior, that capable, he is capable to manage that work or not. Number 3, this is the very important things to make your business on automation, that is technology. Use technology to grow, to make your business on automation. This is my suggestions to you. If you want to make your business automations, use 70% technologies, 20% people management, and 10% planning strategically to grow your business. If you want to know more about your business, if you want to grow your business, just follow me for more about. Thanks.